Hi there. In this video I'm going to attempt to fix the differential or something like that for the front wheels of this old toy car. So I will link its original video in the description. It has survived up until now, but in the back something like this should be happening. In the front, nah. Something ain't working right anymore. Daughters played with it, we had some friends' kids play with it, and it was a little bit abused, like being pushed like this, which it shouldn't be, then being dropped and whatnot. Anyway, and yeah, I popped one of the batteries out just so it don't short anything and start the motors and do even more damage. We found inside the house something like this, and I'm thinking it's from inside here somewhere, because the two sides don't look perfectly the same anymore. I took a good look, so what I think I need to do now, start removing a few screws for this top part to come apart, and then maybe I can get somehow access in here. I almost missed one of the screws. So now, and yes, some oil from inside of the gears seems to be coming out. We might also need to remove that. Not 100% sure, I was hoping not. No, actually no, we are good. Okay. Gears. I was afraid of them being damaged, but nope, they are not. So that's freaking awesome. As you can see, this is spinning normally. This side is totally freewheeling, and yeah. Yep. Let's see. Okay, so it has a big chamfer in here. And this also has a big chamfer. Yeah, it sits. It fits and it sits. Let me try and put this back together outside and see if it wants to slowly slide in here. Yeah. So that's what happened. This plastic literally broke. So probably one of the kids rotated one wheel and hold on to the other. Just realized one more thing. We might need to make sure that we put something in before, because otherwise we might not be able to assemble this. So yeah, wheel is off. Oh, maybe it actually works to assemble it. The difference is small enough. And if I slide it to one side, then it will go in. Yeah, okay, we are good. I can glue this in place. And now I found the reason for the noise. So we are also missing one tooth. I don't think I can glue it back, but it's still working, so that's not dramatic. It's just making hell of a noise. This does not seem to be bothered too much by it, so okay-ish. Yeah, it's not bothered because it's missing most of its teeth. Okay. So yeah, whatever happened here did a hell of a number on that particular wheel. So this is free spinning, and it's actually transmitting to this and then to this. So yeah, front will not have traction for a long while, because this will just all break, and when they are all broken, it's Gangsky. Oh well, at least back it's still working as expected for the moment now. Anyway, yeah, so I think I'm fixing this, but I'm actually not solving anything because the whole front traction is not good anymore. Yeah, anyway, opened it up. I am going to put it back together, make sure we don't have plastic pieces in here that could catch, and we have a lot of them. At this point in time, oh, I opened the super glue in the wrong location. We only need the cover. What the hell? Did the cover stick to the rest of it? Stupid. Anyway, at this point in time, doesn't matter that much how we fix this because it's already really damaged elsewhere, and believe me, it's just so cheap that it's not worth I don't know, sourcing some 3D printed gears or anything else like this. It's a really cheap little car. It was really fun for how long it lasted. It did last more than I was expecting. But yeah, it is what it is. Win some, lose some. Let me finish gluing this back together. I will obviously put a bit of glue everywhere here on the plastics. Give it probably at least 1 day to dry, and then we will test and see how it works and hope for the best. And yeah, I just want to point it out, this is not a differential. Basically, you could maybe call it a gearbox, but that's about it. At this point, this thingy is totally dried. Let's insert it in here, in the slot. And it's in the slot. Yes, I could clean this and oil them much better, but seeing that the gears are almost completely gone, it's just not worth the hassle. This will not last long no matter what I would try to do. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay. I don't know, maybe I will still try to move the grease from the case to the gears themselves just a tiny bit, although this also is kind of pointless. Traction will soon be lost completely on these front wheels, so we will be rear wheel drive. But hey, we had fun for how long this thing lasted. Okay, in theory, next step, make sure this goes between these two. This is just an overall alignment for the front wheels to go in a straight line. Without that they would go wherever they want. Oh, and this is not in place. Make sure it does go in place. No, still not in place. Now it's in place, both of them. Okay, I think I should actually put this screw in position. Oh, this screwdriver is not magnetic. Wasn't expecting that, was I? Oh, come on. So used to working with magnetic screwdrivers that basically I'm unable to handle a non-magnetic one at this moment. Nope. Linkage is in position. Now let's make sure we assemble this. Wheels are in place. I just need to keep this aligned with this basically. Did it go in? No, it didn't. Not yet. That's gonna be a problem. That's not going to be easy to do. How the hell did they do that? Huh. Or? No, it's not where it needs to be. It's not pulling. No, 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 not good alignment. Now it's in the other side. I'm going to have fun aligning that with the springs. Oh, damn it. Doesn't wanna go in, does it? And I think now it's aligned. Yeah, you can clearly see it. Changing alignment as we need. Okay. At this point, put all of the screws from where we took them. Next step, put the wheel in position and put in its only screw, and I think we are done. Hopefully we will see both wheels rotating but making a hell of a noise from those destroyed gears, and for sure this will not last long, but yeah, we had a little bit of fun seeing what's inside of this. Be back in a second after I put in the battery. Let's power it on, power this one. You can hear the noise. That's the noise of grinding gears, but yeah. Front is also pulling. Not for long, of course. So yeah, that's about it for the video. Initial one is again in the description. I wonder if I could actually do something to modify this and make it work again, even if these gears are Gansky. I will search online. Maybe something like this is actually possible to be bought. Who knows? Because overall the rest of it still going fine. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, maybe subscribe, check out my other videos, and see you in the next one.